Hello mga teachers. To those who wish to edit the files, please duplicate it first. So here, this one, duplicate page. And then, kung mag-edit na, just unlock this one and then you can change now the name. For example, then thumbs out, then you can edit that one. So after that, duplicate again, but you can change the photo. Duplicate again, and then another kid. Change ang mga event, then paste the photo. Para dili may labdan, just lock it. Ana lang siya. Thank you!